Hi, now we're going to take up and discuss the inverse of any functions, whether it is linear, quadratic, or cubic. We have some problems today, and the first one is this one, 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. We will write this as we transpose 10 and separate x and y. So 2x minus 10 is equal to 5y. And then 5y is equal to x minus 10, and we divide by both sides of the equation by 5. So we're going to get y is equal to 2x minus 10 over 5. And then we interchange x and y, so this one y becomes x, and this x here becomes y. So x is equal to 2y minus 10 over 5. And we multiply both sides of the equation by 5. We're getting 5x plus 10 is equal to 2y, no? You transpose 10 to the left side of the equation. Then we divide the whole equation by 2. So this one becomes 2y is equal to 5x plus 10. Dividing both sides of the equation by 2, we get y is equal to 5 over 2 x plus 5. So this will be our the inverse of the given function, and we just change this to a symbol. The inverse of the given function x is equal to 5 over 2x plus 5. So this will be our first answer. For the second problem, f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 6. So this one is f of x for our solution is equal to 3x squared minus 6. We just change this f of x to y, so we have this equation y is equal to 3x squared minus 6. And then we interchange x and y, so this one becomes x, and this one becomes y. So x is equal to 3y squared minus 6. And then we transpose, we transpose 6 to the left side of the equation, and then get the value of y. So we have here 3y squared is equal to x plus 6. So we divide both sides of the equation by 3. We get y squared is equal to x plus 6 over 3. Since this is squared, we get the square root of the whole equation. So we get y is equal to the square root of this term here, x plus 6 is equal over 3. Now the square root of x plus 6 over 3 will be the inverse of the given function x. So for number 3, we have f of x is equal to x cubed plus 1. So f of x is equal to x cubed plus 1. We change f of x to y, so y is equal to x cubed plus 1. We interchange x and y, so this one y becomes x and x becomes y. So x is equal to y cubed plus 1. So we transpose 1 to the other side of the equation, so we get y cubed is equal to x minus 1. Since there's a cube, we get the cube root of the whole equation, so we get y is equal to the cube root of x minus 1 here. So we just change this one, since this is the inverse of the given function. We just change this one to the inverse of the given function y. So the inverse of the given function y is equal to cube root of x minus 1. So for number 4, f of x is equal to x squared. So y, change this f of x to y, so y is equal to x squared. And then we interchange x and y. So we're getting x is equal to y squared. Then we get the value of y is equal to x. We get the value of x. Y, you get the square root of both sides of the equation. We get y is equal to square root of x. So this one will be the given, the inverse of the given function. So we just change this to a symbol. The symbol of the given function x is equal to square root of x. For number 5, we have here f of x is equal to square root of x minus 1. So f of x is equal to square root of x minus 1. We change this one to y, so y is equal to square root of x minus 1. We interchange x and y, so x, this one becomes x, and this x here becomes y. So x is equal to square root of y minus 1. And then, to get the value of y, we just square both sides of the equation, or the whole equation by, we just square it, no? So x squared is equal to y minus 1. And get the value of y. So we just transpose 1 to the other side of the equation. So y is equal to x squared plus 1. So this will be our answer. We just change this one to a symbol, the inverse of the given function, x is equal to square root of is equal to x squared plus 1. So this will be our final answer. So for our final problem here, last problem, f of x is equal to 1 minus x over x. So the given problem, f of x is equal to 1 minus x over x. And then we get the value of, we change this one to y, sorry, no? So y is equal to 1 minus x over x. And then we interchange, no, x and y. So x is equal to 1 minus y over y. And then we multiply the whole equation by y. So we get xy is equal to 1 minus y. And then we transpose y to the other side of the equation. So we get xy plus y is equal to 1. And then we factor out y. No? We get a common factor y. So y is equal to y times the quantity x plus 1 is equal to 1. And we divide the whole equation by x plus 1. So y is equal to 1 over x plus 1. So actually this is our final answer. This is the inverse of the given function. Change this one to a symbol f of x to the negative 1 is equal to 1 over x plus 1. So this is how we're going to get, or how we're going to solve problems of any function, or this, in the inverse of any functions. No? We just first we interchange the value of x and y, and the resulting value of y will be the inverse of the given function for y. So thank you for watching our videos today, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by Wilfredo Tan, and click that bell icon. And if you have any problems and suggestions, please do so. No? Give us a ring, and then we can improve our way of presentation. So thank you again, and see you again later. Bye-bye.